风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Yo, how's everyone doing? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。
8月半大家要团圆了。
要团圆嘛？对啊，其实中秋节是3大节之一嘛。
对啊，是要返乡啊。
Exactly. You know, Mid-Autumn Festival is one of the important festivities in Taiwan, and a lot of people actually go back to their hometowns and have a reunion with their family. 团圆怎么说？
团圆。
团圆 Okay, that means a reunion or a get-together. 中秋节是个团圆的节日。Mid-Autumn Festival is a time for reunions.
8月半。
8月半。
是团圆嘅日咧。
是团圆嘅日。All right, that means it's a reunion time during Mid-Autumn Festival. Very good. 那大家就要返乡团圆咯。People return to their hometowns for the reunion.
大家转不下。
大家转不下。
团圆了。
团圆了 OK 就是团圆了很开心嘛很久没见的一些亲朋好友们 right OK so 返乡 going back hometown is
转不下
转不下 OK that means going back to your hometown 回家回乡了然后最后再蕊一次团圆怎么说呢
团圆
OK that's always nice to hear because it's a get together with your family 团圆 and there you have it another daily Hakka on ICRT
什么大家
是谁张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.